great autumn day, and we got Flossie with the new engine. So I haven't been able to drive Flossie much since the new engine was put in, only about 30 miles. It is a beautiful day right now, so we're just gonna go cruise. I don't know where we're gonna go, what we're gonna see, but the leaves are pretty cool, and just gonna have a cool ride today. There's no traffic, which is exactly what we want. Oh yeah. Life on the open road. Oh yeah. Oh man. Road coursing it. Cool bridge. Heck yeah. All colors, dirt roads, you know the deal. Check out that awesome. Check out that shot. Oh man. Oh, epic. Just wax the CB antenna off of a branch up there. Oh, you gotta love it. 102-inch whip lifestyle here, boys. We got a big road up ahead there on this downhill. I want to make sure my brakes are gonna work. Heck yeah. Corn, corn.
Corn, corn, corn. Nothing but corn.
Boy, that dust trail behind us, that is so cool. Oh, we got a turn up here, man. Oh boy, I don't know if the Willys is gonna handle this. Ah. Oh, we got it, look at that. This is a road course truck here. Take this thing autocross it, not really, but. Splendid. Horsey! Horsey! I got more horsepower than this Jeep. Off we go. Into the dirt. See what I'm saying? Good road for the Willys Jeep. That's a photo op right there. All right, hold up, Buster. Photo op. I feel like an influencer. I don't think that's a good feeling. I don't think there's gonna be much traffic here, so we should be good. Park right here. Throw on these lights for effect. Oh, brother, we got Flossie out here. I guess I didn't even do an opening showing the exterior of the Jeep. So if you're new to the channel, you're not gonna know what it looks like. But anyways, that is the great Flossie. I lost my horn button. Piece of junk. Oh, there we go. So far, everything is mint with Flossie. She's running good there. Oh, a square body Chevy and a cool van. That's a 4-wheel drive short bed square body. Some leaves scoured over there. There's a lot of smells coming out of this Jeep. It's kind of concerning. Oh, there's a deer. That's cool. There's a doe laying there right on the edge of the trees. Train tracks, this is gonna be so cool. All right, drum brakes for the Lost. See what we can do. About 35 mile an hour. I guess this isn't bad. There's no traffic, which is a good thing, because I'm going slow. That transmission is garbage! Oh, it sounds terrible. I don't know if it's gonna come through in the video. My gosh, dude. It probably also doesn't help the fact that I can look down and see the transmission. This Kia hates me right now. Yep, they hate me. I'm at 4,000 RPM. I'm not going any faster for you people in your minivan. Supposed to yield. There goes. Oh, that was a triaxle Peterbilt behind me. They got a Bronco and a JL. That's pretty cool, actually. Hey, dude with push mower, he was eyeing up the Jeep. Seriously, all right? Props to you, guy. That's cool. America and lake and geese. I don't know if I'm allowed to be back here, honestly. Maybe that's why I was looking at me. I don't think these are private roads. Let's see where this one goes. Oh, one wheel peel there on that. Loose gravel. Leaf peeping. Leaf peeping. All right. What's up, dude? You realize how epic this Jeep is you just passed? Did you wave. Oh, this is perfect. This is perfect. Alright, we made it back home. Drove for a couple hours. 0 issues. Engine's running good. So thanks for watching this video, cruising philosophy around. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one.